Hello, everyone. Hello, YouTube. Just hello. Basically, I recently joined this opportunity here, Unfiltered Gear. And what I can say about it so far is honestly an amazing opportunity because me personally, I'm always the product of the product no matter what. And basically, what I'm doing is I'm doing a quick review just to show you guys how legit this opportunity is because I know a lot of people they want to actually look and actually, see for themselves basically, what this opportunity or what a opportunity is all about. So, just to give you a quick rundown about this opportunity here, like I said, it's called Unfiltered Gear. It's actually owned by Matthew and Shelly Eubanks, and they have been in the online marketing world for over 10 plus years. So this opportunity came right on time because I can actually merge this opportunity into the drop shipping opportunity that I'm doing already. Now, with this opportunity here, it's free to join. Yes, you heard that right. It's free to join. Nowadays, you don't find too many opportunities out there that are actually free to join. Because I know sometimes it's actually rough for a lot of people to actually join an opportunity, especially when, it's an investment involved. So, like I said, this is free to join. Free to join. You also get a free custom website that I'm showing you right here. I'm about to go over real quick. We have officially launched today on February the 11th, 2020. Now, with this opportunity, there are no large quotas, no inventory required because everything is automatically on this website here. And with this is 25 to 40% commissions. So this is really is a win-win situation. Now with this particular opportunity, basically I'm going to go ahead and show you here just a review about this website. Now this is where you can shop. Basically, if you would like to actually shop, and then I'm going to show you to where you can actually sign up, but everything will actually be in the description below for you to actually view the website to sign up, or if you would like to just shop, throughout the website, of course. Now, of course, you can create an account. So as you can see, my name right here. Now, warning, basically, what I'm about to say, as it says right here, not for the easily offended, because this company has a sense of humor for certain people that have a sense of humor and don't get easily offended by certain words or certain sayings, basically. If you're easily offended, our company products and opportunity may not be the best fit for you. Now, some of these shirts have cussing, and most of these shirts, are very funny. They might fit to your personality or what have you. And some shirts do not have cussing. So it's basically, an opportunity for everybody if you're definitely interested. Don't join anything if you're not interested and not going to put in time and effort. Even though this opportunity is free to join, you still have to work at it in order to make commissions because you can make, a certain amount of money with this opportunity. All you have to do to actually stay active is make one sale each month. Now you have to make $25 in sales in order to cash out to your PayPal. This opportunity is only for USA residents only. At this time, they don't have any international, you know, nothing international at this moment. It's only for USA only, and you have to be 18 years or older. You have to be, because this is a legitimate company. Especially if you make over $600 within this company, then yeah, you will get a 1099. So I'm going to show you some of the featured products here. As you can see, I'm going to click on this. It says I love Jesus, but I cuss a little. Internet is taking some time. So as you can see, the shirt here, and then of course it tells you about the shirt, the features of the shirt as well too. The printing process of the shirt, it tells you that. Most companies don't tell you. It tells you the care instructions to how to actually take care of the shirt, because I know when people get t-shirts and it's time to do laundry, sometimes the t-shirt fades over time. So this right here will tell you how to actually take care of your shirt to keep it for, for a long time. And also here you got a size chart as well too. And when I pretty much wear like an extra large basically, so when I order the shirt before it actually, lunch, it fits very, very nicely. Okay, I'm going to show you the beverage mugs as well too that we have to offer. Sorry about the slowness here, internet. So this is automatically done for you. And they are still going to be adding new designs. They got new products. They're going to be adding like hoodies. They're going to also be doing kids t-shirts as well too. So they're going to be constantly adding things. Also coffee mugs here, as you can see. I want on caffeine, chaos, and cuss words. So you have that. They also have car decals as well too, if you like putting things on the back of your car. So we have a few car decals as well too, as you can see. It's slowly coming up basically. This one right here, Get Off My Tail. Oh my God, I love that one because I'm so tired of people actually being all up on my butt when I drive. I can't stand that. And then we also have bracelets as well too. So like I said, you can definitely check out the website below by, browsing, shopping around or what have you. And or you can actually, join the opportunity by clicking the website, going through that and getting that whole process. Now this is funny, that bracelet. A lot of people probably going to want that. So this is a bracelet, Hustle, F-Bomb. So ass kicker, all those types of things, unfiltered. So yeah, this is definitely here. Give me a second. Let's see. The affiliate program. Then click on that real quick just to show you guys. Now, nobody has never seen an opportunity like this, so it's truly amazing. All the information is here. It's no ridiculous comp plans that are made to benefit only the top 3% of the company. I know how it is. No large quotas that can make you go broke or force you to beg your family and friends to order from you. So, boom. It's free to join. When you join, you have the option of purchasing a kit, like basically going ahead and purchasing a shirt or a mug just to be the product of the product. Commission 25%. You got store credit option 40%. On your downline, potential to earn 5% on people that you refer. See, like I told you, required quota, one sale every month, every 3 months basically. Monthly fees, 0. You get a free custom website link in back office where you keep track of your commissions. Your store credit, okay, example, sell $500 in retail, you earn 125 cash commission or $200 in store credit. Now with the store credit, it's also like a great way to purchase products for yourself. You can do gifts, giveaways, rewards, or guess what? Use that inventory to resell to other people. Like say for instance, you post about a particular shirt and somebody wants it like right away, boom, there you go. You basically have made some money just like that. So downline sub affiliate commissions here. the monthly payouts. Commissions are paid out on the 10th of every month if you have earned at least $25 in commissions. If you have not earned $25, they will roll over to the following month until you have reached $25 commissions, and that you can get paid out via PayPal. Recognition program here. Basically, you have 3 different levels, of course. Free product, sweat, and other cool stuff, as you can see there. So all this information is here accordingly if you would like to definitely view this and read this for yourself as well. So this is definitely a fun way to actually start a particular business here. So that way you can actually learn how to market, promote this, of course, and also promote yourself when you actually purchase the products as well too. So like I said, this is free to join. You must be 18 years or older, and you got to live in the United States only. So of course, all the information will be below. Thanks so much. Talk to you guys later. Have a blessed and awesome day.